Here she is. Here's our baby.
Oh, she got
Don't
upset.
cry. Don't cry.
Flash your face.
No, She is.
Please. Okay. Excuse me.
Hi, baby. Aw, is he tired?
I love how it says excuse me.
Tired, baby. Oh, I know.
I see your face too.
No.
She's so cute.
I think so.
Why did they give you leg thingies?
Socks, because I had surgery and they have to make sure I don't have blood clots.
Make sure to order your food, or did you forget?
No, I ordered it.